Good evening, shed fans. Welcome back. I haven't done a video for a while, but I've just got my phone back last week or week before. I've done a video of my local club at Leicester Truck Meet. So now I was doing a video of been buying a few bits and bobs off eBay. And I've been and bought all these wheels. The Tamiya wheels are plastic, but the metal, I just think they look a bit better than standard Tamiya ones. The metal plated front wheels, 22mm width, matte finish. Part numbers 56517. I've got 3 sets of them because I'm going to put a pair on front of the globe liner, and I'm going to put a pair on this trailer. Put a pair on back of this trailer, and then for me Volvo, for me Volvo truck I'm doing, we've got these bad boys, proper aluminium GPM racing products. Wheels, front wheels. I'm hoping they'll fit. They don't give you its size, but we'll, so I'll take a wheel off and try it. Because these wheels I've got, these are 3D printed wheels. These are 3D printers and they're 3D printed to go with my air suspension on back. But I've had to space wheels out on with washers. Reload the washers, and they're not very good. They're a bit too. I put that many washers on, nuts that end at nylock, and wheels still rubbing on steering rod here. Look how tight that is. Because of that steering knuckle there. So offset on these wheels is not very is wrong. But what I'm going to do is put these out, just clear a space on the bench. Some dog. I'm going to put these alloys on here. You have to let me know what you think in comments. Get off your bed. Get laid down now. Good boy. So I'm going to get this Volvo done for, or get it up and running for next Leicester meet, I think. And then you want to get it up and running for Leicester meet. These wheels are GPM racing products, the sophisticated parts for RC cars. TRU 050F. Alloy front wheel, 5-star, 1 pair. So we'll just take them out of the packet. They're nice and light. They look alright. Bearings fit anyway. That's always a bonus. That's bearings in. So that front wheel and that front wheel, but grooves at same dimensions. Just at the back of this wheel you've got all this plastic here, and at the back of this wheel you've got nothing. So that's why this wheel's rubbing on them steering joints. So we'll just bob this tyre on. I think these look pretty special, these. That tyre straight on there. A bit of green paint on the tyre. Let's hope I'm not going to be disappointed. But that looks pretty fantastic to me, that. Does she spin? No. Same problem as other one. No spinny. So the problem we've got is this drag link is rubbing up back at wheel, and that's really annoying because I really like them wheels. For flipping neck's sake. We'll put other side on, we'll do other wheel. We just have to make that work somehow. That's really disappointing, that. Can't believe that they don't fit. So I'm going to have to, because I've changed me, because I've got different because of different steering joints, because Tamiya ones are just all full of play and slop. So when you try and turn wheel, when you turn, you got loads of play and you don't get your full amount of steering lock. So to eliminate that, I've put them rose joints in, and now I can't and now that I can't get them any wheels to fit other than standard Tamiya front wheels. But I want these alloy ones on it. That's really tight, that bearing in the back of this wheel. I've just thought of something actually. I might have to, because this passing this driver's side up, it don't rub on any of them. Driver's side's perfect, so I think I might just warm that up a little bit and just give it some quick tweak. Warm it up with blowgun and just tweak it round a little bit and bend it away from the wheel. So you put washers on. I've got 4 May washers. I've got loads of them, but they sit on both sides of the bearing. They sit on both races of bearing, so it makes it tight. I mean, like that, I think they look brilliant, them wheels. I think them wheels look absolutely fantastic. But it's just that one. I think I'll have to have a think about that one. Let's put this down now then. The other thing I've done today, I've painted my dashboards. That's the right hand dashboard for my Volvo, and then that's the right hand dashboard for my Scania. Left hand drive, right hand drive. So I think I'm going to paint this one black with some brush paint. Now I've got my steering wheel to go on and my dash mounts to go on. These two dashboards come from Paul at from Leicester Truck Club. So that's where I got them from. And then I'm going to leave this one. I'm not about painting this one because the windows for the Volvo and everything, they're all right black. You can't see through them. They're not overly bright. They're not clear. Sorry, they're not clear windows like that on Scania. So I'm going to leave this. I'm going to leave this light grey. There's no point painting it because you don't really see it. You struggle to see it. So there is this my globe liner with standard Tamiya wheels. So I'll change them for these. And they look a bit better. These wheels look a bit better with the with these back wheels. So we'll get them on, see what they look like. These are just plastic wheels, these Tamiya ones, not aluminium or out. Well, they don't look too bad, to be fair. So that's your difference. That's your standard kit one. That's your op-up option one. Yeah, I think they look a lot better, them wheels, than the others. What I could do to solve my problem for that, what I'm thinking about, is get a smaller washer. Get a small washer and then just file the hole out, because these, that's your standard washer with that big hole in to go over to space your axle out, but the washer's too big, it rubs on both sides of your bearing. So maybe I can sort that out, file that one out, or drill it out. So that's your wheel. And that's entire, all that movement's entire. I think that looks a lot better. Well, it's a lot better than the standard Tamiya. The standard Tamiya wheel. Oh yeah, because these are different. The wheels on front of this are American style wheel, aren't they? And then these other wheels are European style wheels. And that's your difference. Oops. Where's the bearing gone, Smudgy? I'm not going anywhere. Go on your bed. On your bed. Good boy. Right, so it's got a bit of a short video. This is going to be a bit of a wheel video, wheel modify video I suppose, if you like. And that's it for this video really. They're my wheels. All similar sort of colour. And that's it. We'll get some tea. Thanks for watching. I'll be doing quite a few more this week, I think. We've got a few more to do. A lot of work on this trailer to do for next meeting. That's scan your truck done for next meeting. But that Volvo truck, sorry, done for my next meeting. So that's it, people. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.